If Windows is flagging the Visual Basic Runtime 300 DLL as missing or corrupted, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's resolve this together. To start fixing Visual Basic Runtime 300 manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Visual Basic Runtime 300, the Visual Basic 3.0 runtime, a legacy shim that manages the unmanaged orchestration of 16-bit and early 32-bit VB applications, facilitating the execution manifest for historical data links. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Reinstalling Windows Legacy is the safest fix. Download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ Redistributables from Microsoft and install them. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Visual Basic Runtime 300 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Remember that manual replacement of Visual Basic Runtime 300 DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Visual Basic Runtime 300. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Visual Basic Runtime 300 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.